Hello, welcome back to some more Rain on Your Parade. Let me find my controller. Alright, so here we go. Let's continue ruining people's lives, because that's what clouds and rain are all about. Okay, so I think this is the next level. Rack up as many points as you can before you run out of water. Experiment with different ways of earning points. Let's just ruin everybody's lives. Trying to figure out if this might get rained on. Okay, that's interesting. So I guess that's like a bonus level, maybe? I don't know. Can I rain on these things? Oh, I can make this flower grow. Wow, okay. I was a little bit surprised by that. Okay. Can I not rain on this? Let's rain on all the stuff over here. Burn it all? Sure, why not? Oh, I can refill my water here. Okay, I guess I have oil now? Okay, I think I've pretty much destroyed this entire place. I want to change my appearance. Let me see accessories. Guitar. Crowbar. Audrey's favorite color. Okay, I like this. Destroy the yellow wheat, corrode all vehicles, soak all hoobins, and scare off all crows. Alright. Oh, I can replenish my water. So what is... wait. already forgot all of my objectives. What am I supposed to do? Scare off all the crows? I don't see any crows. Confused. I guess I'm just gonna make the plants grow. It says I'm supposed to water this, right? But I don't get it. Alright, let's go back to that later. Oh, there's a crow. Oh, there we go. Now I'm radioactive. Okay, so I'm supposed to destroy this. Okay. And I guess this one. So I scared off all the crows. What am I supposed to destroy? I'm not sure. Crops? And I know I'm supposed to destroy some more vehicles, I guess, but I don't really see any other vehicles. Here? Oh, there's more stuff here. Over here. I guess there's probably another one somewhere. Oh, here we go. What was the third one again? I forgot. Is it just people? Alright, there we go. Ooh, I have a new decor. Check that out. Oh, that's so cute. Maybe I'll change to a guitar. Let's see, what about my face? Okay, let's check this one out. Wait a minute. So Cloudy just rains on anyone they want and no one stops them? Oh, of course not. You see, you just haven't met Cloudy's nemesis. Ooh, this is getting interesting. Yes, exactly. There was one man who absolutely hated clouds. A mean old dastardly Dr. Dryspell. Ooh, I tell you, he was one angry son of a, angry grouch. What happened next? I guess we'll find out. Uh-oh. What is that? Which I see? A stupid cloud approaching me? Do you not know you are my bane? If you are confused, I shall explain. Caught in rain once when I was 8, from hence was born all my hate. When I was 12, I took a bath, which only further fueled my wrath. I said no more, I won't be wet. No more rain, no more sweat. I'm Dr. Dryspell, a villainous cause, and you have fallen into my paws. This is where you meet your doom. Turrets, go! Boom, boom, boom! Turrets? Alright, get through the canyon and soak the generator. Do not run out of water and don't get hit. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Alright. I got hit, but oh well. What fantastic progress you are making, young Cloud. Ho ho ho, one day you will be as big as me. Did you know that some clouds have the power of thunder? Is it possible to learn this power, you might ask? Why yes, you can purchase new powers with Cloud Bucks trademark, and you can obtain Cloud Bucks trademark by trading in Thunder Coins. And Thunder Coins come in packs of 12. You can purchase for just... Oh ho ho, just kidding. There are no currencies or microtransactions here. You unlock things simply by playing the game. Okay, what a concept. Alright, that was kind of a useless conversation. Thank you very much, Old Cloud. Unlocked Thunder ability. Thunderlicious. Try it now. Ooh. So I got an achievement for Thunderlicious. Be pressed. Whoa, that's crazy. Okay. Soak all humans. Alright, this one's straightforward. Oh no, but they have umbrellas. Nice. I got an umbrella for doing that. What about this area? Cloudy, Cloudy, help! This is the pond where I grew up. The pond where I had my first crush and bought my first Nintendo Switch. And now these humans, they are invading our lands with their tents and fires. Do you even know how flammable trees are? I had to hide my wife, hide my kids, Ribbit. Please scare them off, Cloudy. You're our only hope. Ribbit. Alright, I'll save you. Burn all tents, put out all campfires, and feed the bear. How am I supposed to feed the bear? Alright, let's put out the campfire. Destroy all the tents. Okay, let's see. Where's the bear? How do I feed the bear? Okay, so I rain on all the humans. So I'm guessing I have to chase like a sheep. To there. Let's see. Am I missing something here? Is this a campfire? Oh, there we go. Come on, sheep. Go to the bear. Come on. Go to the bear. I'm running out of water. Need to find the rest of the tents and fires to put out first. Okay. Alright, there we go. Alright, so now I just have the sheep left. Almost. No, 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 no. Don't go that way. Go this way. Yes. Come on. Go on. Go on. To the bear. Almost there. Yay. Come on. You're almost there. Yay. Alright. Nice. I have a new decor. That looks like a frog. Alright. I think I'll equip that. Aww, how cute. Alright. I like that. Alright, let's just try another place, and then I think maybe this will be the last one for this episode. Oh, hello there, little cloud. It is good to see you again. It's been much too sunny for much too long. I am glad we will finally get some rain. You know why I love rain so much? Why, it helps my plants grow, of course. Rain is just wonderful. In fact, I used to get wet all the time when I was younger. But oh my, I have trouble of a different sort today. Maybe you can help? Looks like my sheepy babies have escaped their pen. Would you be a dear and chase them back in? Thanks, sweetie. Okay. Herd the sheep into the pen. Do not let black sheep get in. Okay. Very specific. Okay. Alright, there we go. One. Okay, there we go. Another one. Okay. Okay, there's another one. One more here. Come on, let's go. Let's go. There we go. Yay! Ooh, I unlocked the sheep. Oh, how cute! Alright, I think we have time for maybe one more. What happened? No, I don't want to do this again. What is this? Oh no. What happened? Oh, this one again. No, I don't want to do this again. I'm gonna do that one again. Alright, so I guess I'll end the episode here because I don't know how long the next one is gonna be. So thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. So bye-bye.